Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a fun color matching activity. To get started, we need a piece of cardboard, and on that cardboard we're going to draw 6 circles. Then we're going to cut them out. Once you have all 6 circles cut out, you can draw circles inside of them. These are going to be the colors that they're going to match. It depends on your child's ability and their fine motor skills. If you're working with a very young child, you might only do 3. If you want to challenge your child even more, you can draw 4 or 5 or even 6 circles inside, and that way they can match even more colors. After you've cut the holes out of your circles, you can place them on a big piece of cardboard. Here, you trace the circles and you can draw 6 snails. I trace them out with a pencil first, so that if I make any mistakes, I can erase them. After you draw all 6 of your snails, you can go over it with a marker. After you go over all the snails with a marker, you can start personalizing them. You can draw different faces on each snail. I'm going to draw a variety of faces on my snails. Some of them are going to be happy, some of them are going to be sad and surprised or angry. This way I can use the activity for 2 different things. I can use it as a color matching activity, but I can also use it to talk about emotions. It is very important to teach children about emotions at a young age. This will help them sort out their own feelings when they're going through things, and it will also help them understand their friends and help them become more compassionate. Teaching children emotional intelligence is one of the most important things you can do in an early childhood educational setting. It is also very important to talk about these emotions during different parts of the day and to integrate them into different activities. That way children will understand that emotions are not isolated feelings, but they are complex feelings that you can feel while feeling other things and doing other activities. After drawing all of the faces on the snails, you can use the circles that we had just cut out and put them on the snails. That way you'll know exactly where to place the pom-poms on the snail's back. Then you're going to use a hot glue gun to secure the colored pom-poms onto the empty hollowed out circles. Use different colors and make sure not to repeat the patterns, because if the patterns are repeated or too close, they might confuse the children. After gluing on all the colored pom-poms, you're going to take the circles out and then draw a rim around each circle matching the pom-pom that was placed in it. Make sure that the rim is quite wide so that the child can easily see the color and match it to the colored pom-pom. Finally, you can repeat this step with all the other circles. And now it's time for the fun to begin. I have a little friend who's going to play the game with us. Are you ready? This activity is really good for hand-eye coordination, color matching, and fine motor skill development. Because it works on so many different skills, this activity is a must-have for young children. I hope you enjoy making this activity, and I hope your little one enjoys playing with it and learning new skills. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you!